Super ABC TV.
A makes the sound A. A is for apple. Apple. Can you say apple? B makes the sound B. B is for ball. Ball. Can you say ball? C makes the sound K. C is for cow. Cow. Can you say cow? D makes the sound D. D is for dog. Dog. Can you say dog? E makes the sound E. E is for egg. Egg. Can you say egg? F makes the sound F. F is for fish. Fish. Can you say fish? G makes the sound G. G is for grapes. Grapes. Can you say grapes? H makes the sound H. H is for horse. Horse. Can you say horse? I makes the sound I. I is for ice cream. Can you say ice cream? Well done. J makes the sound J. J is for jam. Jam. Can you say jam? K makes the sound K. K is for keys. Keys. Can you say keys? L makes the sound L. L is for lion. Lion. Can you say lion? M makes the sound M. M is for monkey. Monkey. Can you say monkey? N makes the sound N. N is for nut. Nut. Can you say nut? O makes the sound O. O is for octagon. Octagon. Can you say octagon? P makes the sound P. P is for pig. Pig. Can you say pig? Q makes the sound Qu. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike. Can you say quad bike? R makes the sound R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Can you say rainbow? S makes the sound S. S is for snake. Snake. Can you say snake? T makes the sound T. T is for teddy bear. Teddy bear. Can you say teddy bear? U makes the sound U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Can you say umbrella? V makes the sound V. V is for van, van. Can you say van? W makes the sound W. W is for watch, watch. Can you say watch? X makes the sound X. X is for X-ray. Can you say X-ray? Great job! Y makes the sound Y. Y is for yogurt, yogurt. Can you say yogurt? Z makes the sound Z. Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Excellent! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent! Now you know your ABC.